Welcome back students to the computer class. In the last class we have started with a new chapter, that is the mouse and input device. And we have studied about mouse, how to hold the mouse, the buttons on the mouse, right button and the left button. And I have given you the assignment also. I hope you must have completed the assignment. I know your copies are there in the school. So you need to make a small thin copy for this assignment. Okay, you keep on updating your work afterwards, otherwise you'll face problem. So today in this class we'll start with a new topic, that is functions of mouse buttons. So you already know students, in the last class I have taught you how many buttons are there on mouse. There are two buttons on the mouse, right mouse button and left mouse button. Now they have different functions. So in this class we will study about the functions of mouse buttons. So we will study about functions of mouse buttons. Today in this class we will be studying about clicking, double clicking and right clicking. So these three new terms you will understand today: clicking, double clicking and right clicking. So the first one is clicking. Let's see what is clicking. When we press and release any button on the mouse, right button or left button, any button, when you press and release, it makes a click sound. You will hear a click sound. That is known as clicking. When we press and release any button on the mouse, it makes a click sound. This is called clicking. And what is the function of clicking? It helps you to select an item on the monitor. Clicking helps you to select an item on the monitor. Very easy. Clicking, you have understood students? Whenever you press the left mouse button or the right mouse button, it makes a click sound. And clicking helps you to select an item on the monitor. Now after clicking, it comes double clicking. What is double clicking? Pressing and releasing the left mouse button twice in one go is called double clicking. When you press and release the left mouse button on the mouse in one go, it is called double clicking. Now what is the function of double clicking? It helps you to open file or folder on the monitor. Double clicks helps you to open the file or the folder on the monitor. Now after double clicking we'll see what is right clicking. As the name is right clicking, so in this you have to press the right mouse button. Which mouse button you have to press? Right mouse button. Pressing and releasing the right mouse button is called right clicking. Now what is the function of right clicking? It helps to open command box. It helps us to open the command box. So what we have studied today? We have studied about clicking, double clicking and right clicking. Clicking the left mouse button once is called single click or clicking. It helps you to select an item on the monitor. Now double clicking is pressing the left mouse button twice quickly in one go is called double clicking. It helps you to open file or folder on the monitor. It helps you to select. See, the single clicks help you to select, double clicks help you to open and right clicks helps you to open the command box. Now practically on the computer I'll show you how you can do clicking, double clicking and right clicking. See, for single click you have to move the pointer. This is mouse pointer, arrow like pointer you are seeing on the monitor. This is mouse pointer. You have to move the mouse pointer and point at any object on the monitor. All these icons you can see. Wherever I am moving the mouse, it is getting highlighted. Can you see? Yes. So you can move the mouse pointer and point at any object on the monitor. For example, I am pointing at drawing. This icon. Okay. Now press the left mouse button and release it. See, I am pressing the left mouse button and releasing it. The object will be selected. So have you seen? This single clicking help us to select an object on the monitor. Now let's see how to do double click and what happens when we do the double click. For double click, move the pointer on computer icon. See, this is computer icon, you can see computer icon. So you have to move the mouse pointer on computer icon. Now double click on it. Double click. Left mouse button only, you will double click it. See, it will help us to open the icon or any file or folder. With the help of double click, you can open any file or folder. Understood? Double click. It helps us to open any file or folder on the monitor. Now let's see what is right click. I have already told you, right click is pressing and releasing the right mouse button, and it helps us to open the command box. So see, if for right clicking we have to move the mouse pointer to the computer icon again. See, I am moving the mouse pointer to the computer icon, and see, I am doing right click over here. See, can you see the command list of command box? Yes. So right click help us to open the command box. So I hope you must have understood clicking, double clicking and right clicking. So in the next class we'll start with dragging and dropping. Okay, so students, I'll be sending you the assignment. As I have told you, you have to complete your assignment in a thin copy because your computer copy is already there in the school. So complete your work. Okay, bye students, stay safe, stay healthy.